Little bitty scene with a microscope. Set it on a table and not on a slope. Grab it by the arm, keep the base held tight, 'cause good science starts when you set it up right. Slide on the stage, keep the covers lip clean. Lock the clips in place so the small stays seen. Oh yeah, microscope zoom deep into the world where tiny things loom. Saying oh yeah, microscope zoom, opening the door to where the small things bloom. Spin the nose piece round till the logo's in. The fork's objective lens is where we begin. Use the coarse adjustment to find your view. Then the fine adjustment helps the details break through. Looking through the lens, yeah, the small things rise. See the chloroplasts to shimmer like emerald skies. Oh yeah, microscope zoom deep into the world where tiny things loom. Saying oh yeah, microscope zoom, opening the door to where the small things bloom. Down below the stage is the diaphragm wheel. Twist it left to right and the brightness gets real. The illuminator glows like a spotlight beam, shining up through the slide like a rock and roll dream. Turn the stage knob now and let's adjust your slide, 'cause one tiny move helps your view to glide. Looking through the abscess 10 times magnified. Add the 40x lens and see what's inside. Every little detail starts coming alive like a tiny hidden world where small things thrive. Yeah, the deeper you look, the more you find whole secret cities that will blow your mind. In Jrac's class, we learn to see the small where the tiniest things can feel 50 feet tall. He says, slow down, make sure the lens is clean. Jrac shows us that this microscope is cooler